COVID cases and hospitalizations heading in the wrong direction. Between the Delta variant and people not getting vaccinated, numbers keep going up. Dan Kennedy explains what the trends are like in Virginia and the city where your child is starting school locally.
Both cases and hospitalizations ticking up today statewide for COVID-19 in Virginia. Hospitalizations up to 2,161 patients. Consider where we were just 2 months ago. Around the 4th of July, we were closer to 200 patients. Now looking at almost more than 2,000 more hospital beds being occupied statewide due to this virus. As if that's not grim enough, consider that 25% of those hospitalized are in the ICU. That's 500 patients or so, and almost 300 of them are currently on ventilators. And it's not going to get any better as we see cases today surging to a level we haven't seen in months. Looking at more than 4,400 new infections added. Yesterday when I was talking to you, I was saying, let's not get complacent. Let's not get our hopes up. The last 3 days had been below average. Turns out it looks like it was just a reporting anomaly due to the holiday weekend. And that's why we saw some underreporting in those numbers today. We're back up. And we're also seeing that in a lot of our local cities. This is Portsmouth, almost touching 100 new cases today, 99 new infections, by far the most we've seen out of that city since February. We're averaging about 50 new cases a day in Portsmouth right now. Taking a look at some cities going back to school today. This is Norfolk. Today they added 130 new infections. That is above the average of around 95 or so. And then Newport-News students also going back to school today. Across the entire city of Newport-News, 124 new cases added today. Keeping a close eye on these numbers throughout the week, as we always do here on 13 News Now. I'm Dan Kennedy reporting.
North Carolina adding more than 4,700 new cases to its dashboard. Nearly 3,800 people are in the hospital getting treatment for the virus in the Tar Heel state. And you can stay up to date with the coronavirus pandemic on air or at 13newsnow.com. We update the case numbers every single day on our dedicated coronavirus page, along with the latest information in the fight against COVID-19.